Hello, Sudoku friends, welcome. Boys and girls, welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, Monday. Monday, February the 21st, 2022. Yeah, we have an additional. Because the last couple of times, 3 times in a row, we have no additional. And today we have the additional back. Yes, I've already solved one puzzle. So we have 2 puzzles left, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary puzzle. I'm not doing all the puzzles, too much for me, time consuming, so only half of them. 3 out of 6 I will do. And the second one, it will be a binary puzzle number 4158. 4158. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And I know between an O and a 1. Oh, wait. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Okay. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, the third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. I think we need to compare now, yes. Now. Let me see. Do I need to compare the columns or the rows? This row I cannot compare. Let me see. No. How about this row? O10. Do we have O10 here? O11, O10 here. 101. This row and that row. Okay. 0011, 0011, 0011, empty box, so we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Finish in 4 minutes. Alright. Great. A binary, and I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. with the tectonic with 4 stars. Last puzzle of today in the additional. So until then, bye bye for now.